MyMiniFactory has been huge for us.
It's really freeing as a creator.
And it has been a key element in helping us kickstart our business.
DM's Dash would not be where it is today if it wasn't for the ecosystem that MyMiniFactory has created.
MyMiniFactory makes distribution a cinch.
There's always a rep who is ready to help out.
I'm really excited to launch some of my future vehicles on there.
MyMiniFactory has changed the industry.
Not just as a platform, but also as a community.